They say in India that marriages are made in heaven, but in India they are made at indiamatrimony.com. Arranged marriages have always been a way of life in our Indian society, where pictures are shared, boy meets girl, they have a nice conversation, and decide to get married. Now this may sound very absurd to most of you guys, but it can be very amusing. Today we are here to tell you the story of one such couple to be. Here comes Bhupesh. A typical Indian IT software engineer who dreams of living in a beach house in Bahamas with a supermodel wife and lots of moolah to spend. But he has to deal with the stark reality of having to fight with his manager every morning to get to on-site. Reaching where, he realizes he was better off back home in India because he's working 20 hours a day, including weekends. But money matters. And when it comes to arranged marriages, it matters a lot, so he endures the pain. So after one such dream of living in the beach house going down the drain, he comes back to India in search of a supermodel wife. But he's in for much more than he bargained for. Let us see his story.
Hello Prakash, so when will I get my next on-site opportunity?
On-site? Krish, you have been doing a very good job, but with the recession, I cannot afford to send you on-site. You see?
I have to get married, sir. You know how it is for an IT guy to have no on-site in his kitty. I will have no value in marriage market at all.
I understand, Bhupesh, but there is nothing much that I can do for you.
This is not fair, sir. You know, if I don't have money to buy a nice 2-bedroom apartment in Bombay, then who will marry me? I will die as a bachelor. I am desperate, sir.
Krish, my hands are tied. I'm sorry.
This is not fair. Now, all I will have to settle down with a high school dropout. No supermodel for me. That is not fair.
Poor Bhupesh. He heads home with a very heavy heart, where he has to share this bad news with his parents. Let us see what they have to say.
Mummy, no on-site.
Lord, what do we do now? Now we have these 3-4 alliances whom we are not going to tell about his fiasco. Listen, my sonny boy. You need to get your luscious hairstyle for that Brad Pitt look.
But why all this, Sandeep? Let him do what he wants to do and let him grow his career first.
Look, I have picked up such smart, nice, rich girls, and I'm not gonna let these go. You just keep quiet and let me handle it. Totally, Sunny. I've picked out Angelina Jolie for you. Doesn't he look like Brad Pitt? Listen, you have a gorgeous wife like me because you listened to your mother 30 years ago.
That is why I'm still repenting till now.
So we are going to see the first girl tomorrow.
Sure, Mummy. Why not today?
Now, on the other hand, you have the girl's family to having a conversation on the boy. Let us see how their conversation goes on.
Listen, Suresh. A boy will be coming to see your daughter today. He's an ITA who works for a very good software company.
Really?
Check out his photo.
Wait, I couldn't see him.
You see this boy over here in the brown shirt between the trees?
Oh.
That's him. I've already lied that you're a big businessman on the website. Selling foreign sweets in an Indian store does not make you an importer or exporter.
Of course. I import expired products from USA and sell it to all these foreign goods loving Indians here.
And export expired Indian goods to Sabzi mandis in USA for India loving Americans? That makes you an exporter?
Yes. Why not? Obviously it makes me an exporter and importer, right?
Oh, there's someone at the door.
Namaste, I'm Deepak Iyer.
And I'm Mrs. Iyer, and he's Hassan Bhupesh.
Oh, namaste, namaste.
Have a seat.
Please take your seat.
Rohita, can you bring some refreshments for them? So, Bhupesh, how long were you there in US?
2 years, uncle, 2 years.
Really long time, right? Yeah, and you might be missing your parents too.
I cannot live without my parents.
So, you used to call them every day?
Surely.
Of course, my son is so smart, you know. He had 5 roommates and he always used their phone to call us.
God, this woman is hell bent on embarrassing me in public. Why? What did I ever do wrong to you?
Shut up and don't call me back.
She's Neha, our daughter. She works as a customer care executive in a call center. She talks to thousands of American nationals every day and resolves them problems in like anything. It's very good of us for her. Really?
Good morning. This is Adriana from Avis Help Desk. May I have your worldwide I'm sorry. My help desk name is Adriana. I got caught up in the character. We recently bagged this project from ABG, you know? Neha, meet Mr. and Mrs. Iyer. They're here to see you. That's cool. But listen, Mom, I need to go to party tonight. Can you get this done by 6 p.m.? Because I don't want to miss my hair appointment. But Neha, they're here to see you for their son. But Mom, just because I had fight with my boyfriend Ranjit, that does not mean I have to marry a guy to whom I ever meet. Why don't you just meet the boy? He works for a very good software company in that in the US. That means shopping at Valentino or DKNY. Who needs Ranjit? Come, let's meet the boy. It's actually nice, my sunny boy.
So, why don't you two kids go out and have a conversation?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Hi, I'm Neha.
Hi, I'm Bhupesh. BE, IBM DB2, IEEE member.
Anyways, what do you do?
I code, I test, I implement, I support, cause issues and resolve them. No one knows about it.
You tell me, you dance, you eat, you sleep, you do this, you do that. Oh my god. So, what do you guys used to do on weekends? Go for hitchhiking or something else?
Nah, we used to do way cooler stuff. My friend used to download Quake 3 and weekend long we used to play Quake 3 on internet.
God, you're a geek. So, what other interests do you have? Do you like to go for partying?
Totally. Last week we went with our clan manager to Cinnamon for lunch party.
Oh my god, I cannot seem to get this guy. Either he's incredibly innocent or a complete moron. So, where we are going to live in USA? NY, SF or LA?
Actually, Neha, my on-site opportunity is in a bit of fix. Recession, you know.
Then what makes him think that this is an opportunity for him? Anyways, so again back to old crowded buses and trains.
No, Neha, don't worry about that. When I was at on-site, I never got a chance to travel because of all the steady-state implementation. They cost a lot of money. I had to stay back a weekend long. But by that, I earned a lot of money. Now I can have a Tata Nano.
Why not a Jaguar? Tata owns Jaguar too.
Neha, I am a small developer, not a TCS manager. Illegal immigrants over there earn more than what I earn.
I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you. Since I have answered all your questions, will you marry me now?
See, Bhupesh, I have dreams of certain lifestyle. I want to with a guy who is intelligent, outgoing, and very smart. I couldn't find any of these qualities in you. I'm sorry to say, but I can't see our future together.
But you could give me a chance. Hello, Subhash? No, nothing. No, it's still ringing.
It's not step one, isn't it?
No, I'm all right. Nothing much. So, what's up?
What? An on-site opportunity in New York for 7 years, and that too in Williams Road. Thank you, Prakash. I think I will call you back later. No, Neha, I got an on-site opportunity, that too in NY for 7 years.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you very much. But how does it matter now, right? I know, Neha, I don't have loads of riches or dashing personality that you always expected. But I'm honest, I'm hardworking. I will do whatever that will make you happy.
You are
I'll
mad.
keep you as an apple of my eye.
Yeah, Bhupesh, I understand. I mocked you, I insulted you, but even then you were so nice to me. By the conversations that we had earlier, I could definitely see that your heart is really pure. Bhupesh, I don't need a rich man. I need a man who can take care of me and keep me happy and safe.
In New
I will
York?
definitely marry.
I just can't believe this. I think today is my lucky day. Let's go and tell this to our parents. They would be really happy about this.
Yeah, sure.
Great.
Bye.